You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. Good morning, dear students. In our today's video, we are going to know about the knowledge of one Indian state. As you know, we are knowing per day one state, and today we will also know one state of India, and our today's topic is Uttarakhand. So today we will know about complete knowledge of Uttarakhand. So this video will be helpful for you all, and you will know in this video about complete knowledge of Uttarakhand. So be ready and now know about Uttarakhand. In the previous video, we have known about West Bengal, and I hope you have watched that video also. And per day, you will know one state of India. So always be with Primary K Pankh and know per day the knowledge of one state. Be ready and know today about Uttarakhand. In our today's video, we will know about whole knowledge of Uttarakhand from beginning to the end. So first of all, you need to look the map of Uttarakhand. I am going to show the map of Uttarakhand. Actually, Uttarakhand is in the map of India. So look here, with the green arrow, you can find here Uttarakhand. And you will also look here, the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. So look carefully, this is the map of India, and in this map you are looking at this time with the green arrow Uttarakhand, and you can also look the whole area of Uttarakhand with yellow color. Are you looking Uttarakhand? Yes, very good. This is the map of Uttarakhand, which you are looking in yellow color, but the whole map is of India. And in this map you can look different states of India, but today in this video we are going to know about only one state, that is Uttarakhand. So look carefully, Uttarakhand. Here the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. You can also observe different neighbor states of Uttarakhand, because it is very easily you can observe here in the map of India. Now we are going to know about some very important knowledge of Uttarakhand. Okay, so look here. First of all, as you are looking the map of Uttarakhand, here Uttarakhand is a state in the northern part of India. Uttarakhand is a state in the northern part of India. The area of Uttarakhand is 53,483 kilometers square. You can also say the area of Uttarakhand is 53,483 square kilometer. The density of Uttarakhand is 189 persons per kilometer square. It means in 1 kilometer area, or you can say in the area of 1 kilometer square, there are 189 persons live in Uttarakhand. The old name of Uttarakhand was Uttaranchal. It means in ancient time, or you can say in the old time, or some years ago, the name of Uttarakhand was Uttaranchal. So people know about Uttarakhand by the name of Uttaranchal. It is known for the natural environment of the Himalayas, the Bhabur and Tarai region. Okay, Uttarakhand is popularly known for natural environment because it is near the Himalaya, and the Bhabur and Tarai region are very important for Uttarakhand. After that, we will know about some next knowledge related to Uttarakhand, and the next knowledge of Uttarakhand is very important because we are going to know about the border of Uttarakhand. The border of Uttarakhand. So, know which states or which countries are in the different directions of Uttarakhand. First of all, in the east side of Uttarakhand, there is Nepal. Okay. Nepal is situated in the east side of Uttarakhand. In the west side of Uttarakhand, there is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is in the west side of Uttarakhand. In the north side of Uttarakhand, there is Tibet. And in the south side of Uttarakhand, there is Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand is also a part of Uttar Pradesh, and some years ago, Uttarakhand is in the Uttar Pradesh. So once again I am going to say about the borders of Uttarakhand. In the east side of Uttarakhand there is Nepal. In the west side of Uttarakhand there is Himachal Pradesh. In the north side of Uttarakhand there is Tibet, and in the south side of Uttarakhand there is Uttar Pradesh. It is divided into two divisions, Garhwal and Kumaon. Uttarakhand is divided into two regions, that is Garhwal and Kumaon. So these two regions are the part of Uttarakhand, and after that we are going to know about the next knowledge of Uttarakhand, and the next knowledge of Uttarakhand is related to districts of Uttarakhand. If you know about districts of Uttarakhand, then there are total 13 districts in Uttarakhand, and the winter capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Dehradun is the winter capital of Uttarakhand, and summer capital of Uttarakhand is Gairsang. Gairsang is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. It means there are two capitals of Uttarakhand, and these two capitals are divided according to season, because in Uttarakhand there is different seasons, and in winter season the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, but in the summer season the capital of Uttarakhand is Gairsang. The High Court of Uttarakhand is located in Nainital. It means the High Court is situated in Nainital, and Uttarakhand anthem is Uttarakhand Devabhumi Matribhumi. Uttarakhand Devabhumi Matribhumi is the Uttarakhand anthem. Uttarakhand, land of the gods, O motherland. You can say this is the Uttarakhand anthem in English, and in Hindi you can say Uttarakhand Devabhumi Matribhumi. It is the Uttarakhand anthem. After knowing about the anthem of Uttarakhand, now we are going to know about some other knowledge related to Uttarakhand, and the next knowledge of Uttarakhand is formation. So when is Uttarakhand formed? Now we are going to know about this. The formation of Uttarakhand is 9 November 2000. It means Uttarakhand was formed on 9 November 2000. And now we will know about governor and chief ministers of Uttarakhand. So first of all, know who was the first governor of Uttarakhand. The first governor of Uttarakhand was Surjit Singh Barnala. Surjit Singh Barnala was the first governor of Uttarakhand, and the present governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya. Baby Rani Maurya is the present governor of Uttarakhand. So this is very important knowledge about Uttarakhand. The first governor of Uttarakhand is Surjit Singh Barnala, and the present governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya. The chief minister of Uttarakhand. First of all, we will know about the first chief minister of Uttarakhand. The first chief minister of Uttarakhand was Nityanand Swami. Nityanand Swami was the first chief minister of Uttarakhand. And in the present time, the chief minister of Uttarakhand is Tirath Singh Rawat. Tirath Singh Rawat is the present chief minister of Uttarakhand. So, know these names carefully, about the governor and chief minister of Uttarakhand. First of all, remember the first governor's name. First governor of Uttarakhand was Surjit Singh Barnala, and the first chief minister of Uttarakhand was Nityanand Swami. The present governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya, and the present chief minister of Uttarakhand is Tirath Singh Rawat. So these are very important knowledge about Uttarakhand. Now we will know about some next knowledge of Uttarakhand, and these knowledge are also important for Uttarakhand. So know about these knowledges. Legislature. Now we will know about legislature of Uttarakhand. The legislature of Uttarakhand is unicameral, and there are total 70 seats in state legislature assembly. There are total 70 seats in state legislature assembly. It means in Uttarakhand legislature assembly there are 70 seats, and the seats in Rajya Sabha in Uttarakhand is 3. The seats in Lok Sabha in Uttarakhand is 5. It means 5 seats are in Lok Sabha in Uttarakhand, and 3 seats in Rajya Sabha in Uttarakhand, and 70 seats are in state legislature assembly in Uttarakhand. After that, it is very important to know about the official language of a state. The official language of Uttarakhand is Hindi, and this is very important knowledge, and it will ask in different competitive examination what is the additional official language of Uttarakhand. So remember this also. The additional official language of Uttarakhand is Sanskrit, and this is the only state in which the additional official language is Sanskrit. So Sanskrit is the ancient language of our country, and it is the second official language of Uttarakhand. The literacy rate of Uttarakhand is 78.82. 78.82% is the literacy rate of Uttarakhand. After that, know about some more important and interesting knowledge about Uttarakhand, and the next knowledge is sex ratio. Sex ratio means number of women on the number of 1000 men. So in Uttarakhand, there are 963 women on 1000 men. So 963 by 1000 is the sex ratio of Uttarakhand, or you can say 963 ratio 1000 is the sex ratio of Uttarakhand. It means there are 963 women on 1000 men in Uttarakhand. Now we will know about some state symbols of Uttarakhand, and in state symbols, first is state instrument of Uttarakhand. The state instrument of Uttarakhand is dhol. Dhol is the state instrument of Uttarakhand. State bird of Uttarakhand is Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal is the state bird of Uttarakhand. The state fish of Uttarakhand is golden mahseer. Golden mahseer is the state fish of Uttarakhand, and the state flower of Uttarakhand is Brahmakamal. Brahmakamal is the state flower of Uttarakhand. Now state tree. State tree of Uttarakhand is Brans. Brans is the state tree of Uttarakhand, and this is also very important. The state sport of Uttarakhand is football. Football is the state sport of Uttarakhand. So these are state symbols of Uttarakhand. So remember these all state symbols. State instrument is dhol, state bird is Himalayan monal, state fish is golden mahseer, state flower is Brahmakamal, state tree is Brans, and state sport of Uttarakhand is football. After that, we will know about some other important knowledge related to Uttarakhand, and next we will know about some tourist places of Uttarakhand. As we have already known, Uttarakhand is the place of nature. Uttarakhand is situated in the lap of nature. So it is very important to know about some tourist places of Uttarakhand. Rishikesh is known as Center for Yoga, Spiritual Studies and Meditation. So Rishikesh is also very important place of Uttarakhand because it is known, it is popular, it is famous for Center for Yoga, Spiritual Studies and Meditation. Mussoorie is the second tourist place of Uttarakhand and it is known as Queen of Hills. Mussoorie is the Queen of Hills. After that, Kedarnath is the holy site of Hindu Lord Shiva. So Kedarnath is also very important tourist place of Uttarakhand. After Kedarnath, next place is Mukteshwar. So Mukteshwar is also very important for its natural beauty because Mukteshwar is sitting high on the Kumaon hills of Nainital district. So if you go to Uttarakhand and if you do not visit Mukteshwar, then it is not good. After that, next tourist place is Ranikhet. Ranikhet is also a very nice place of Uttarakhand and it is known for several scenic hill stations. Ranikhet is known for several scenic hill stations. So it is also a nice tourist place of Uttarakhand. Now know the next places of Uttarakhand and next places are here. Next place is Dehradun. Dehradun, as we have known, the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and Dehradun is popular for summer destination. That's why Dehradun is the summer destination place of Uttarakhand. So Dehradun is a popular summer destination for tourists. Next place is Haridwar. Haridwar is the next tourist place of Uttarakhand and it is known for ancient city in the place where Lord Shiva released Ganga from his locks. So Haridwar is also a nice tourist place of Uttarakhand as you are looking in the picture. Haridwar is known for an ancient city where Lord Shiva released Ganga from his locks. And this is the next tourist place, that is Badrinath. Badrinath is one of the most important spiritual ground of Char Dham. So Badrinath is also an important tourist place of Uttarakhand. So we have known some tourist places of Uttarakhand, but there are many more tourist places in Uttarakhand. If you live in Uttarakhand more than 2 or 3 years, then you can visit all the tourist places of Uttarakhand because Uttarakhand is full of tourist places. So we cannot identify some special tourist places because Uttarakhand is the complete combination of tourist places. So these are some selected tourist places of Uttarakhand. We have known in this video about some knowledges of Uttarakhand and I hope you have understood these all things related to Uttarakhand. We will meet again in the next video and in next video we will also know about another state and the knowledge of another Indian state. So for the time I want to wish you all have a great day. Goodbye.